huh? Somewhere in there. Hello, Internet. Welcome to Table Talk number 1. Table Talk is my one-shot, non-edited mission report to tell you what I'm doing and what I'm aiming at next. So I don't get to edit it. I don't get to edit out the ums and the stutters and the mistakes. But yeah, here we are. I'm just elated and so grateful for the opportunity to be able to do my best work. We're starting on half 11. Half 11's back, as you can tell. We have some pretty heavy hardware now. We've been working hard to make all the pieces come together. I'm going to explain the trifecta to you. But first on my list, I want to tell you about metal shaping classes for 2021. I have one scheduled for next weekend. It is booked full. I have one scheduled in February. It has openings. It's about half full. I limit the classes to 12 students, and it's a really good time. We go hard for 3 days. We start at 9 a.m. We finish at 9 p.m. And first day, I do a basic tutorial, basic lecture theory. We do that in the morning, break for lunch. Then we do tool training. We train you on all the machines, get you up to speed, teach you the etiquette, and I teach you regional metal shaping techniques. I teach you coach building, history, and then we move on to practical application stuff. So it's pretty interesting. I enjoy it, and I know a lot of students enjoy it. So if you're interested in learning more about metal shaping and how I achieve such results, come and play. Send me a DM. Next is half 11. Half 11, we'll be getting fenders. We'll be taking the car to a certain level for an event at the end of the month called Race Car Party, and we'll be showing off what we've been up to. It's gone in little spurts, you know. We save up some energy, we hit it. We save up some energy, we hit it, and we just chip away at it. And that's how I do things, you know. A little movement every day, and yeah. So another thing I want to talk about is 3D printing. This fender is 3D printed with a nylon fiberglass filament. This took 4.5 days to print. And what this allows us, it gives us accuracy. So now I have a left and a right, which gives me symmetry. With the table, I can now fixture and align 3D prints, bucks, jigs, parts, everything. It's a wild, we're leveling up so hard right now, and it's kind of overwhelming. I'm just so happy to be able to do this. So, yeah, this is weird. Talking to a camera. I'm much easier going in person. But yeah, this gives us accuracy, gives us detail placement. The table gives us symmetry and true alignment, and the power hammer gives us speed. So with that trifecta, we can really make things happen better, faster, all of the things you want to achieve. You know, how could you be better? We're doing that now. We're trying to change coach building. We're trying to change metal shaping. I'll elaborate more on that later. But anyway, so that's what we have going on there. So the 3D printing company is Make It Inc. Go follow them. Go check out their page. They do work with various car builders, but you know they're interested in more than just building cars. The car nuts are obviously attracted to 3D printing for obvious reasons. But yeah, if you have a project, reach out to them. Maybe they have a solution for you. So another thing, power hammer. I have a power hammer in my shop now. It's really exciting. I have Fullmax number 1. This is the second of 3 hammers like this, and it is a really wild and innovative design. It is not a 100-year-old design. There is such a demand for power hammers to expedite metal shaping, to be able to create parts with speed, that they're reproducing the old machines. I have a reproduction Milwaukee from JRM, and it is a fantastic machine. It leaves a great finish. Between the power hammer and that, there's not much I can't tackle. But this power hammer, every box that you can categorize a power hammer in is, you got the column, you got the arms, you got the motor, you got the tooling and fixturing of it. There's all these boxes, right? How do you define the attributes of a power hammer? It checks all those boxes in a different way than all of the other machines. And each way is superior in function, superior in cost, affordability, and that just makes it a more efficient machine. These machines will be for sale very soon. I'm working to help Stan Fulton develop and hopefully, if we can come to an agreement, produce these on the West Coast and distribute them here. So a lot of exciting things that we're getting after. One last thing, t-shirts are coming soon. Working with a local source on that. I also have mugs. If you want Flying Dutchman Industries swag. It's a little shameless plug. So anyway, welcome to 2021, Flying Dutchman Industries. And if you're interested in metal shaping, let me know. Thanks for checking out the video and watching all the way to the end if you did. Thank you.